Welcome back, guys. As you can see, I've got a massive bag in front of me. I'm gonna put it aside so we can get some space here. I'm sure you've seen the thumbnail already. I've got a quick unboxing for you guys today. It is a pickup I've been actually putting off for a while. I've been very busy, so I haven't been able to do the video, but today I'm going to be doing the video for you guys. So without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. But if you're new here, make sure you slap that like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and comment in the section below so you guys know when I upload a new video. Okay, so you can see, you already know, you see the bag already. Got some tissue paper here, we don't need that. We're gonna throw it over somewhere down there. Okay, there we go. You already see the box. When you see that box, you already know what it is. This is an off-white shoe, specifically sneaker. So first of all, I want to say rest in peace to Virgil Abloh. I am a massive fan of his, but it is what it is. He is not with us anymore today, but his work and his spirit lives on in this off-white, you know, his brand. So I'm very happy that I was able to get this in my collection. So the box is a light green box, and it's got blue writing and inscriptions on it. You can see the off-white logo right in front, right there. 1, 2, 3, and on the side we got the sizing detail. It just says off-white CO/O Virgil Abloh, and then this is the color code here. It just says white. I got this in a size 42. I'm gonna just show you guys what's in there so you can see it. So you see that right there? That's the color code and the details on the sizing and everything. Okay, all right, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. You guys ready? Let me flip this. I'm so excited for this. I am really excited. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, flip. Okay, first glance, there is nothing on the lid. The lid is plain and the ends on the inside. Okay, I'm gonna leave the box to the side right there. Straight up first glance, we got a dust bag with the off-white branding on it right there. Okay, you can see the branding right there, and the dust bag is a decent size. Personally, I like the 2 dust bags, you know, because you can keep the shoes separate so it won't scuff or anything, you know. But one, I'll take it. It's all good, you know. But I mean, I guess it's big enough that you could put one on each side and fold it, I guess, like that. You could do that if you wanted to. So it's not too bad. I'm not complaining. All right, so I put the dust bag to the side, and straight up, you got the tissue paper with graffiti in there. It is a black and white tissue paper. Let me see, is there anything on it? Yeah, it's just like graffiti and black and white tissue paper. Very nice quality, very soft. All right, I'll take this up. 1, 2, 3, and you can see the shoe right there. Yeah, I'm already using my hand to kind of mark it. You can see it. It's the patent leather off-white out of office sneaker right there. Okay, so we've got this right here, which is like, I think maybe the authentication card or whatever that comes with it. You can see the off-white branding on it as well, and on the inside, just right there, that's it. And another card here. I don't know what this is for, but I'll still show you guys what it is. Okay, that's it right there. All right, so I will put this to the side and let's get into the nitty gritty. Woo, this is nice. All right, guys, check this out. 1, 2, 3, bam! Look at that. That is the purple and white, off-white, out of office sneaker. And this version of purple, though, the reason why I actually like it is because it is not a light purple. It's kind of like a darker purple. You know, I mean, a lot of people are actually scared to like get purple because they think it's hard for them to put it together. But I really don't think so, though. It's pretty easy anyway. At least for me, it's easy to definitely put them together. You know, with something. But you see what I'll wear with it when I do the on feet for you guys. So I'll try to do like 2 types of pants you can wear with it or whatever. But for me, like, this is nice, and the color is not a problem at all. It's just unique, and the purple they use is not like a lighter purple. It's like a darker purple that you can mix some amazing colors with, and that will really stand out. Okay, so I am going to get the other feet out. Just more tissue paper in here, which we don't need. I'll get the other feet out, and I'll put the box to the side so we get some space here, so I can tell you about the materials on here. So first of all, first glance, I mean, it looks pretty nice and pretty clean, and you know, I like it a lot. Okay, so we got the midsole. The midsole is not really white. I think it's more like a off-white. Yeah, off-white. Yeah, bad joke. Anyway, so the outer sole is dark purple again, and it's got like a pod on the side of the off-white logo right there. I'll bring it closer so you guys can see it right there. You see it, and then on the bottom it's got a little another pod right there. There's a lighter shade of purple, you know, which is kind of different from the darker purple on the main foot itself. But it's nice though. I like the touch. You know what this shoe reminds me of? It reminds me of a Dunk, for sure. And you also have that hang tag, like the zip tie. Usually it's the zip ties that they use, but this is a different kind of hang tag. Like, this is a leather hang tag, or zip tie if you want to call it that. And it's got like a clip that you can clip. I think you can take it off. I'm not sure. But okay, yeah, it can come off like pretty easy. That is amazing. If you want to take it off, you can take it off, but it could come up pretty easily, you know. And if you can clip it back on, just like that, it is pretty nice. And that's the hang tag. And on the hang tag, it says, let's see, off-white, and it says 2019, and then zip tie. That's it. That's all it says. So on the shoelaces, it says shoelace in black. Of course, the shoelace is white, but in black it says shoelace right there. Okay, and what else? On the tongue, it's like a nylon tongue, but with a very, very nice quality. Like, it is amazing. And it's got, on the nylon tongue, it's got this tag on there in patent leather as well that says off-white, and it's a little bit hard to read. Made on Earth, design on a planet, 2019. Yeah, that's what it says. So it is pretty cool. I like it, you know. So I will be doing an on feet, you know. So the midsole is like a off-white kind of color. It's not really true white, you know. So, and the outer toe box, which is the mud guard, is in that purple pattern leathers right there. You can see it is shiny, you know, as the light kind of hit it. And the inner toe box right there, which is the toe box, is pattern leather as well, but it's in white. And the arrow on the side is purple as well in pattern leather. And the side panel is white behind the arrow, which is in pattern leather as well. Going all the way back to the back panel with the off-white branding right there at the back. And the back panel is that purple patterned leather as well. And on the inside, it has the logo inside right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of dark in there, but it has the off-white branding logo inside it right there. But I guess in the showcasing, I will get in there so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. And on the other side of the tongue, it's got my size, and this, I got this in a size 42, and it says 42 right there. Okay, let's see if I can get it closer so you guys can see it with some light right there. Okay, so, and that's, I think that's in black. Yeah, in black. So this is a really solid shoe, and when I actually tried them on, like, it is really, really nice, like very, very comfortable for a designer shoe. Like, this is very comfortable. I was very, very surprised, you know. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. Let me give you a quick spin, 360 spin, so you guys can see everything. Okay, so that's the front right there. Okay, the right side, the left. You can see that patent leather shining right there. And the back, you see the panel, the back panel and patent leather shining as well. Okay, so guys, that is the quick unboxing I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will be doing the on feet like I said earlier, so you guys can see how this looks on feet. And I think definitely later I'm going to be doing looks and an outfit that you could put together, you know, just to rock the shoe, you know, and how to wear them and things like that. But that will be, you know, much later on, because I have some more videos lined up for you guys. So, and don't forget, if you're new here, thank you so much for joining us. I really, really appreciate it. But make sure you slap that like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you comment in the section below. Guys, let me know what you think about the sneaker. If you like it, if you don't like it, you know, what your take is on, you know, Virgil Abloh's design and things like that. I really, really appreciate you guys today. And that's about it. All the opulence out.